Hey guys, Crypto Spacey here. Today let's talk about Aalto protocol. This is a new auto staking and auto compound protocol on Binance Smart Chain. So I'm excited about this protocol. The reason being, this protocol gives the investor chance to earn the reward in multiple ways, not only by auto staking and auto compounding. It also gives a chance to earn by NFTs and also by staking and a lot more other ways. So if you want to learn more about it, stay on. And apart from that, I do have 3 whitelist giveaway as part of this. So stay on to learn how you can get the 3 whitelists. Now let's review step by step about this protocol as I mentioned in my earlier videos. So I go through these steps to review the any auto compounding project. First thing I'll look for the security. The second I will try to see what's unique about this protocol. Then I will look into the how the protocol is paying through their taxes. And fourth, I'll go through the sales. Either it's a fair launch, is on pink sale, or is it a white sale or private sale, all the details. And I'll check on the social following, and finally I will reveal my strategy at, if I'm investing, how I plan. So now let's look into the first step, the security, right? So this project is launched just a week back. And when I say launched, they just created their Twitter and Discord and everything. So currently, I don't see any security information like KYC or audit or multi-sig lock and everything. However, they already have a different team, AMS DeFi, which is their sister protocol, and is the same team. It is developing this, and I'm assuming in the coming days they might give more information on all the details of the security, that is KYC and audit and etc. So stay on and follow them, and to understand more, even if I get my any additional details on that, I will provide in the description. So the next step is let's understand what's unique about this protocol. As we mentioned, for any auto staking, auto compounding protocol to be succeeding, we must have something unique about that protocol. So more than one unique feature will definitely help in the successful of the protocol. So let's go back to the white paper. See here, they have detailed out all the additional details about the protocol here. So they have something called a deep blue bank, correct? So this deep blue bank, it also gives you a chance to stake the native token, that is Aalto, to earn additional reward. Other than that, you can also lock in your tokens for different days, like 7, 14, up to 365 days. And if you happen to stake more than 90 days, you will get additional reward other than the staking reward. And that is called tidal wave rebate cycle, that is paid on a quarterly bonus. That means if you happen to stake your Alto coin for more than 90 days, then you get this quarterly bonus, right? That is good. So we want always this additional income other than getting the auto compounding reward, because whenever there is more revenue channels for the investors, that will definitely attract more investors, and also it will let them stay in the protocol for longer time. I have something called A-share swap mechanics. So A-share is a native token of their sister token, which is called AMS DeFi. And AMS DeFi is a farming protocol where you can stake your stable coin to earn the A-share reward. So that means you can also like swap to A-share and earn additional reward also. So that's another good feature about this. And finally, they have Yeild Generating NFTs, which is in their pipeline. It is not yet released. And also they have something called real world asset revenue stream. That means I'm guessing they might invest in the real world assets, and whatever the revenue it is coming, they might share to the staker, auto staking investors. And also they have a bartering system. That means you can buy the Aalto coin from other than the BNB That means it is not restricted that you have to use only BNB to buy the Aalto coins. So that gives more flexibility to the investors to buy the altcoin. If you see that, unlike other auto staking protocol, this protocol has tons of features for the investors, starting from you can stake your Alto coin depending on your staking period. You will get additional reward, and also we can swap your token to their sister protocol, and you can buy the Alto coin with other than BNB, and you have NFTs coming in, and also you have additional revenue from the real world asset. So seeing all these things, I feel bullish on this project, and I'm going to keep watch on this project to see how they plan and execute all of their roadmap activities. Understand our step 3, like how the protocol pays investor. For any auto compounding protocol, so we must be aware of what is the buy and sell tax, because this is the important revenue pool. So whatever the money we get it from the buy and sell tag, that is what it will be used to pay to the rebase reward. And this tax will be distributed among the insurance fund. And insurance fund is usually the reward pool. Whatever the money is in the insurance fund will be used for the rewarding the pool. And the next is pit. Here they call it as Mariana Trench. That means this will act like a backup liquidity, that whenever there is too much sell pressure on the token, so then they use this money from this pit to burn the additional native token, so that way the token become deflationary in nature. And next, you need to be aware of treasury. Treasury is the money which will be spent towards the development team, towards the marketing team, towards the any R&D, and also for any investment. Finally, any protocol will have auto liquidity feature. Here they have it something called rising tide. So that rising tide will whatever the money is allocated to that, they will be acting as providing the liquidity to the protocol itself. So if I click on the trading fee structure, it is saying the buy fee is 13%, sell fee is 17%, which is in the normal range. As I mentioned, keep mentioning 5 to 20% is the normal range for that. And let's understand what is the allocation for the insurance fund. If you see that they're allocating 4% of the trading fees, that is in the normal range too. And for treasury, how much they're so they are not given how much percentage they are going to allocate for treasury. Maybe they will update in the future. And let's learn about auto burn. So they are allocating 2% of the traded amount here for the trench, and for auto liquidity they are putting the 3% of the transaction money here. So that's everything within the range. So as mentioned, I have 3 whitelist giveaway for this, and so this is a very good project. You can have maybe 10x potential if you are able to get the early into this project. So how do you participate in the whitelist? It's very simple. You follow me on Twitter, and follow the Aalto protocol on Twitter, and also I'll provide you the tweet. Just add a comment whitelist into that, and probably by Monday I will pick the 2 or 3 winners. So check in the description for all the link to my Twitter, and link to Aalto protocol Twitter, and also the tweet I'm mentioning where you have to add your comment. And if you see that the whitelist sale is on 15th April, and it is closing on 17th April. They also have a Launchpad pre-sale that is on 15th, 16th, and 17th. They have 3 days of pre-sale. And finally, they plan to launch on Monday the 18th, that is April 18th. And what is the price of the token for the whitelist? It is $6. For the pre-sale, it is 6.25. And it keeps increasing. For the pre-sale day 3, it is 6.75. And for the launch, they plan to do it on 7 USD. So if you are part of the whitelist pre-sale, you're already making profit out of this around 20%. And how much they are planning to sell, it is 25,000 tokens for the whitelist sale, and 30K for pre-sale day 1, 50K for day 2, 70K for day 3. Provide some additional information saying that there won't be extra mint or hidden token as part of the contract. This is one of the security feature that is good to know. And the second thing is no rug pull. That means the initial liquidity will be locked for 12 months. That is also good. So you can also earn the whitelist other than my whatever I'm giving away. If you go to their Discord, you can see in the announcement, you can get whitelisted by liking and retweeting the whitelist tweet and tagging 3 of your friends, and invite at least 5 people to our Discord channel and be active in the Discord and be at a level 5. And then you need to provide your screenshot, whitelist screenshot to get eligible. So it looks like this is not a difficult one. It is straightforward. Maybe you guys can try out and see that if you will be qualified for the whitelist. Learn about the social following. We are already in the Discord channel here. So they are all almost around more than 1,000 people in the Discord chat. And if you come to the Aalto protocol, Twitter, they have only 31 followers. As I said, this is a very new protocol. They just launched a couple of days back. So I'm confident as the day progresses, these numbers keeps increasing. Based on whatever my current understanding of the protocol, I really like their uh, unique features other than auto staking and auto protocol. So there's a good chance I might be participating in the whitelist. Again, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research and see if you feel comfortable only support the project, or if you have any open question, you can come to Discord and ask questions to learn more about the project. Just to remind you, with any auto staking, auto compounding project, this can be very high risk. So please use caution and do your own research. And thank you for listening to this video, and have a nice day.